Welcome back on this channel, and today your bro made some profits. I made 90. Before we speaking about Bitcoin, we will speak about Bitcoin because Bitcoin, as it seems, getting here rejected on this support line. But today your bro made 19k profit. Ha! I also realized this profits already here, but then okay, wait a minute, where P&L, bam, 18,900. Okay, after losing hundreds of thousands of dollars, 90k profit, nice. And I prepared already new trades, and we will speak about later. Let's start first with the Bitcoin. And by the way, bro, thank you so much. Our community is growing so heavily, and here we have this bro, which is a cubic fan, by the way, also as I am. We have here. He made some nice thumbnails. What do you think about it? Shit, bro, it's so nice, bro. Come on, props on this guy, bratans. I will change to this. Thank you everyone who's supporting this channel. It's so nice. And by the way, before we are coming to the TA, on Thursday I will do here for you live trading, and I have with another brother for community. He suggested so nice trading game which we will do. It will be more an experiment. Also, I will do live trading. If you want, you can also do with me live trading on a demo account. Don't use your own money. Demo account link is down below if you want on Bybit. But this will be Thursday. We do it. Tell me the time which we should do. Dubai time. Should we do it 12 Dubai time or 1 Dubai time? Because in the morning I have gym, pumping, and then I'm coming here into the office with my decaf iced latte cappuccino, which I ordered again, skimmed milk, not forgetting. So tell me which time we should do Thursday streaming. Live trading. Tell me, write me please down below. Now let's speak about the TA. And fuck, I always forget to move myself here okay, so what is important here to watch? I just saw, as it seems, even though the most of the people are vomiting in front on my door, it seems that we are getting here rejected. You see, this is a massive resistance line which coming here from since December 2023. You see here it was support, here support, here resistance, here it was support, and here again resistance. Seems this is a massive resistance line. And by the way, on PEPE we have also a massive resistance line where I took some profits. Maybe I was wrong, but anyways, I have these profits now. But I prepared already the next long position, which I show you also here in this video, bratan. So wait a minute, what's important, what's nice though, we are getting here rejected, but how low we can go, this is what I answer you in a second. But what's nice to see is that the open interests are going down, you see. And as the open interest going down, it's obviously speaking for a pump, because you see here in when it was here, this was start of the year in March or something like that, we see the open interest exploded, and after we saw a consolidation. So at least we will see here consolidation. This is what we see right now. So we have new moon. On new moon is on the 2nd September. On 2nd September new moon. Usually on new moon, as I showed you already historically, for everyone who's new probably to this channel, what I don't think, because statistics show me that the most of the bratans are coming back. You see on new moon, usually we see always a dump. Here we saw on new moon, what we saw, not a dump, but still a consolidation. At least here we saw a dump, here we saw a dump, here we saw a dump. So the red is always the new moon, the green is full moon. You see, we see in the most case we see dump, but sometimes we see a consolidation like here, or here it was also dump, but we can also say it's a consolidation, right? So what's interesting right now is the open interests are going down. This is very bullish because we want to cool down, bro. You cannot the whole time, like 10 times a night, or 1 time a night, 10 hours. You can maybe 3 times a night and 10 minutes each time, but not the whole time, and same also with Bitcoin. So it's nice that it's cooling down. It's nice that the open interest is going down. And you see here, as soon as the open interest touched something like 84k, you see here what we saw after they touched here 84k, boom, like a massive pump. So I'm watching here that we are touching at least 84k. So what I'm suggesting here that we see at least a consolidation, or maybe what I told you also before, what we could see here is a dump to the price target of approximately, wait, I have to again to close myself so you see it better, approximately a dump to 60k, because 60k is a massive support and resistance, and also psychological. You see here it was a lot of support and resistance, here it was a massive support line, here it was a resistance and support. So this is 60k is a big psychology support line. It's a big technical resistance and support line, and now we're coming to the SMC trading, which also one brother of our community told us it's the smart money concept trading. It's basically what I'm talking the whole time here about. It's where are the market makers? The market makers tend to chase the liquidity, and the liquidity is here at approximately, you see it below 63k. So here at around till 60k we have a lot of liquidity. So usually they should grab this liquidity, and this is what we could see. I mean, in the big picture, again, you have to watch the big picture. On the big picture, it may look like just a consolidation. You see, if on the monthly, if we're going here to 60k, it's like nothing. You see it here. It would look really like nothing if we are touching here 60k. Even 50k would look like nothing. So always you have to consider this big picture. And also another chart which I want to show you is this ascending broadening wedge, which is again it's a bullish pattern. You see, this is a bullish pattern. I'm not bearish, it's a bullish pattern, and we not touch this support resist line at 68k. However, what we could see is here, obviously, as I said, here down to 60k, and the next will be boom, a break through the 68k area. So this could be how it will look like. You see, boom, straight to 100k. Obviously not straight, but you know what I mean. So for this reason, I closed also my PEPE trade, and on PEPE I saw here, and I show you also my new, what I prepared the PEPE trade. Look at this, we have here a massive head and shoulders, and this was the neckline which we broke down. This way PEPE saw big breakdown, then we retested, then we saw another breakdown. Now we're trying again to break through this line. So obviously as soon as we're breaking 115, this is almost like guaranteed that we see a new all-time high on PEPE soon. But right now we're getting rejected here, and what I'm hoping here, we have two support lines at 1 and at 0.95, and I have a limit order at 1. I positioned the limit order at 1. I hope a limit long order, so I hope we will test it, especially as I told you, I expecting Bitcoin to cool down. Obviously I could miss here this opportunity, and in case we see here a break to the upside, I'm missing this opportunity, but still I would try again to re-enter. Why? Because usually PEPE is cooling down after a run by 20%. You see here we saw a massive run, for example, we saw here massive run, and then we saw boom, 28% cool down. Another here massive run, again boom, massive run. From top we saw again a cool down of around, wait a minute, boom, again 18%, again massive run, and again a cool down of 23%. Here same, we saw a massive run to the upside, boom, cool down of 28%. So even in case we are breaking here this line, and the next resist line would be at 1.3 approximately, and then we are cooling down to 20, it's still a nice long opportunity at 1.05 approximately, which I would then enter. In case right now we could go as low as, if based on the history, we could go as low as 0.819 approximately, but I will enter here and my liquidation price will be here below 5. So I think I will be very safe here, and I show you also as promised my here what I prepared. Here I prepared PEPE. I prepared PEPE at 0.1, as I told you. With 25k I will enter on 5x, with 25,000 on 5x, so it's approximately position of $115,000. No, not with 25k, with 23k I think, and 50k I will put as a margin just in case, so I don't get liquidated. So this is my strategy here. please, bratans, don't forget, Thursday I will do live trading here for you, and we have an amazing concept. And thank you everyone for supporting this for supporting this channel. Like this, bratan, I will change now this thumbnails. This looks so amazing. Please tell me, are they amazing or not? And by the way, here I told you also that I closed 90k in profit. So go check out if you want Twitter. If you don't get enough of Slavic Younger. Thank you very much for watching, and kiss you and see you later. Mwah.